Hello, this is to show the performance of the Victorinox knife saws. Here the Victorinox rucksack. So we are now at the halfway, and I will show you if we are close to the end. So we are like down. Let's see if we can break through jumping. So we are quite at the end. So I cut it around. It's a radius close to the end. The very end. Şöyle çek. So the radius, with this radius you can cut this 20 centimeters around wood. Victorinox folding knife saw in half an hour. That's the rucksack, and still like new, sharp like a beast. Thank you very much. Kapat.